Namaste. Today's video is on prone breathing. How we can include the benefits of prone breathing to our daily yoga practice. Various studies have been conducted across the world on the benefits of breathing in prone position. The studies have proved that when you breathe in the prone position, the breath becomes more homogeneous and the dead spaces, the unutilized spaces in the lungs are reduced. Thereby, the functions of lungs improve and the lung capacity improves. Please note, this is not a treatment methodology. It is just an effort to include the benefits of prone breathing in our daily yoga practice. So let me demonstrate to you how we can do prone breathing during our daily yoga practice. In most of the yoga classes, we do prone asanas. For example, Bhujangasana, Dhanurasana, Shalabhasana. All these are asanas which are done in prone position. So what is a prone position? When we lie down facing the ground, where our stomach is touching the mat, our chest is also touching the mat. So that's the prone position. Now let me demonstrate how a prone breathing can be done. Now you can see I am lying down on the mat facing the ground, where my stomach is touching the mat and the chest is also touching the mat. This position in yoga is called Makarasana. So my arms are folded below my head. The chest is resting on the mat. The legs are kept a little away from each other. Stomach is also touching the mat. Now this position comes after doing asanas like Bhujangasana, Dhanurasana, etc. So when you lie down in this position, this is where you can do the prone breaths. So I lie down in prone position like this, keeping the head turned to one side. Now I take slow, deep inhalations. You can see how the back of the chest is rising and falling on each inhalation and exhalation. Take slow, deep breaths. This can be done keeping a pillow also below the chest. Observe that. Slow breathing. Repeat the practice, keeping the head to the other side also. So you would have observed how the prone breath can be included into your daily yoga practice. I repeat, this is not a treatment methodology. It is only an effort to include the benefits of prone breathing into our daily yoga practice. I would request all of you to practice yoga on a daily basis, pranayama and various asanas, and include the benefits of prone breathing into your daily sessions. Request to all yoga teachers, include this prone breathing while lying down in Makarasana in all your sessions, and let all the students get the benefit of prone breathing and thereby improve the lung capacity. Namaste.